Hello everyone, welcome back to East Education London. Now this is our A Christmas Carol predictions for GCSE English for 2024. Now before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share with your friends. And I would like to thank you all for your continuous support. We have received amazing feedback from all our subscribers. And we have also received many requests for further prediction videos. So once again, I would like to express my gratitude and thanks for your continuous support. I do hope that you can share our channel as we continue to grow. And if you want to get the best possible grades for your GCSEs, do consider joining our online revision classes where you will be taught by an expert and professional teacher. And this is where we go through exam papers, we write model answers, you write answers in class, we provide constructive feedback. So you get that tuition support in preparation for your exam. So if you are interested, our spaces are extremely limited. Spaces are almost full. So if you are interested, do contact us at easyeducationlondon@gmail.com via email. And one of our team members will get back to you regarding those spaces. Now, having a look at the question itself, we are going to make 3 predictions for Christmas Carol, and they are the following. So the first prediction question we have is, how does Dickens present the importance of kindness in society? Now, if you're wondering where do I need to look, where do I need to look at specifically in terms of revision, you need to look at Stave 5. This is where Scrooge is full of joy and praises a young boy as he sends him to buy a prize turkey for the Cratchit family. So if I was you, what I would recommend, look at the key quotes, look at the key themes, and also practice writing essays on this area. And an important point I wanted to address here is that these are prediction questions and you shouldn't rely on them entirely, but you should still revise the other areas of the exam. So don't solely rely on this. Like I said, these are predictions, and the exam board, they create papers so that they can't be predicted. So it's supposed to be unpredictable. But saying that, predictions are always something you should consider, as it's a smart way for you to revise. So that's question number 1. Question number 2 is, how does Dickens present the importance of family? Right? How many of you have done this question before? To those of you who I teach personally, I'm sure you'd know we've covered this in our online tuition classes, and you all have written model answers, and many of you have even memorized it as well. So all you do now, if you are practicing past papers, you'd see this is a question that some of you may have done before. So I would definitely recommend to have a go at this in preparation for your exams. Now, where are you looking? Stave 4, where the Cratchit's family grieved the loss of Tiny Tim. Okay, so again, your character analysis, your character quotes, these are something that you need to remember. Not only that, I also am planning to create an additional video on the key quotes in A Christmas Carol, and I'll also show you how to provide a grade 9/grade 10/grade 11/grade 12 analysis. Yes, just for your information, there is no grade 10 or 11, so we are going to create that in a future video. And the last and final prediction question we have is, how does Dickens present the importance of guilt or regret in helping Scrooge change his ways? Now, for that, you need to look at Stave 4, the Ghost of Christmas Yet to Come, where it reveals Scrooge's grave to him. Okay, so that's an area for you to revise and look at and practice, because that's a potential question that could come up. So these are our 3 predictions for A Christmas Carol for students sitting their GCSE exams in 2024. Now, one thing you need to remember is that time management is key. Okay, so you need to work on your time management skills and improve on your time management. And how do you do that? You do that by practicing. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become, and the more likely that you will achieve the top marks. Now, before we conclude, don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms at Easy Education London on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And if you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section below. do make sure you give this video a like, and do also make sure to check out all the other videos on our channel, as we have many more exciting videos on the way. Thank you once again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more. Thank you.